Why SMART goals matter. Imagine setting a goal, whether it's to lose weight, start a business, or learn a new skill, only to feel stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure of where to begin. Many people struggle with goal setting, and the reason is simple. Vague goals lead to vague results. Without a clear, structured approach, goal setting often turns into frustration. You might feel motivated at first, but as time passes, progress slows, obstacles appear, and eventually the goal is abandoned. This cycle repeats itself, leading to a lack of confidence in your ability to achieve what you set out to do. But what if there was a way to set goals that actually work? A method that increases your chances of success by making your goals clear, actionable, and achievable? That's where the SMART goal framework comes in. SMART goals provide a structured approach to goal setting, ensuring that your goals are not just dreams, but real, achievable milestones that lead to meaningful progress. By using this method, you take control of your goals, making them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, a formula designed for success. Now let's break down each element of the SMART goal framework and see how it works in practice. Understanding each element of SMART goals. A common mistake in goal setting is being too vague. Saying, "I want to be healthier" or "I want to be successful" is a good start, but it's not enough. To be effective, your goal needs to be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," a specific goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds by following a workout plan and eating healthier meals." When your goal is specific, you know exactly what you're working towards, making it easier to take action. Measurable. How will you know if you're making progress? That's where measurable goals come in. Adding numbers, deadlines, or progress indicators helps track your success. If your goal is to save money, instead of saying, "I want to save more," a measurable goal would be, "I will save $500 per month for the next 6 months." By setting measurable targets, you can track how far you've come and adjust if necessary. Achievable. While ambition is great, setting unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and burnout. Your goals should challenge you, but still be attainable within your current resources and abilities. If you've never run before, setting a goal to run a marathon in a month might not be achievable. Instead, an attainable goal could be, "I will train 3 times a week and complete a 5-kilometer race in 3 months." An achievable goal keeps you motivated because it feels within reach. Relevant. Your goal should align with your values and long-term objectives. Ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? If you're focusing on career growth, setting a goal to learn a new coding language or take a leadership course might be more relevant than learning an unrelated skill. When a goal is relevant, you're more likely to stay committed and follow through. Time-bound. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Adding a time limit creates urgency and helps you stay on track. Instead of saying, "I want to write a book someday," a time-bound goal would be, "I will complete the first draft of my book in 6 months by writing 500 words every day." Having a clear timeline keeps you focused and accountable. Bringing it all together. Each element of the SMART framework works together to transform vague ideas into clear, actionable goals. For example, instead of setting a generic goal like, "I want to be healthier," using SMART criteria, you could say, "I will lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating balanced meals." This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, making it much more likely to succeed. Now that you understand the SMART framework, let's move on to how you can set your very first SMART goal. Setting your first SMART goal. Now that you understand how SMART goals work, it's time to put this framework into action. Let's go step by step so you can set your first SMART goal and start seeing real progress. Step 1. Identify what you want to achieve. Start by asking yourself, what's something you truly want to accomplish? It could be personal, professional, financial, or health-related. Let's say you want to improve your fitness. Instead of saying, I want to get in shape, we're going to make it a SMART goal. Step 2. Make it specific. A vague goal won't give you direction. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? Instead of, I want to get in shape, say, I want to lose 10 pounds and build endurance by jogging. Step 3. Add a measurable element. How will you track your progress? Instead of, I want to lose weight, say, I want to lose 10 pounds by running 3 times a week and tracking my weight every Sunday. Step 4. Ensure it's achievable. Is this goal realistic given your current lifestyle, time, and resources? Instead of, I will work out every day for 2 hours, which may be unrealistic, say, I will jog for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Step 5. Make it relevant. Does this goal align with your long-term ambitions? If your priority is improving health and energy, this goal is relevant to your overall well-being. Step 6. Set a time limit. A deadline keeps you focused and accountable. Instead of I will lose 10 pounds someday, say, I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months by jogging 3 times a week. The power of SMART goal tracking. Setting a SMART goal is just the beginning. To stay on track and actually achieve your goal, you need a system for tracking your progress. Without tracking, it's easy to lose focus, forget your milestones, or even give up when things get tough. Tracking helps you stay accountable, identify what's working, and boost motivation. You can track progress using a journal, spreadsheets, habit tracking apps, or an accountability partner. The key to consistency is setting a weekly check-in to review your progress, make adjustments, and stay motivated. Maintaining motivation and success. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline and consistency will keep you moving forward. To stay motivated, understand your why, the deeper reason behind your goal. Break big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate progress and milestones along the way. Stay flexible and adjust your plan when needed. Surround yourself with positivity and like-minded people. Most importantly, remember that motivation comes from action. The more you take action, the more motivated you become. Final thoughts. By now you understand why SMART goals are so effective, how to set them, and how to stay on track. The only thing left is to take action. Set your first SMART goal today, track your progress, and stay committed. Success isn't about luck. It's about having a clear plan and following through. Start now and watch your goals become reality.